what a way to start our day. So if you guys don't see right there behind me, a giant cloud of smoke. The creek went on fire and they sort of detained it a little bit, and now it's spreading into the mobile home side. It used to be right here, and then it's now over there. So we got all of the fire department back here near blocked us in, and now there's a pathway, but we got to get out of here. And the reason why we are out here, you probably see my cousin's car right there. Today we are tuning, and also I hope so they're gonna be tuning RIP CRX as well. So we got to get out of here. We are already late because we were kind of blocked in earlier. This car right here, super ugly, bro. Is Albert's car? Ooh, it's been a while. You see anything wrong here, Ted?
Big ass that safety put me in a fucking food coma.
So right now we are swapping out the 450cc injectors and slapping in the Delphi 1000s, and these were flow tested from Ted Spec over at Synergy. These flow and are cleaned, and then Jeremy is online right now getting the mat ready to rock and roll. 85. Jesus Christ. God damn. Look at that fucking roller coaster right there. Shooting for the moon, huh? It's still going. Oh shit! Goddamn! Oh, we good right there. We golden right there. All right, guys. So I know my cousin for sure is freaking happy, man. I know he's totally happy. You know, but you know what, guys? The day isn't over yet. We only brought one car today. It's this one. But if you guys remember from plenty dyno videos ago, I've always shown this black CRX. Now this CRX belonged to my buddies Jesus. Pretty self-explanatory, guys. I'm not gonna go too in depth with this setup, but it's been a long time, and today is going on the dyno. Boy, Whipple supercharged LQ969 Merrill. Ooh! You guys want to know what the best feature in this car is? Let me show you guys. Yo, look at this. Wow, this is so freaking sick. Whew. So we're about ready to rock and roll in just a minute here, just kind of doing an overlook of the whole car. It's got a map on it already, but minor things like, you know, putting the new sensor in spot of that one, and injectors, make sure everything is all connected well. Ground, make sure all the grounds are good, and then, you know, hook everything up to the dyno. And man, it was a pain to get out of that roll cage because I drove it up.
All the left.
I mean, the only difference is the spray pattern, but it's...
No, 22s, that's not far.
Yeah, well, you know, I belong to the songs, but it sounds like you hear the air, not
There it is! There it is!
God damn.
Say it ain't so, Joe. Say it ain't so. That just is not happening right now. What? What the fuck? Are you serious? No. No, you was playing with him. You was playing with him. Man, that turbo came on and he... No. No. This car makes like 600 horsepower.